for this? Who is building this fence? Who are the people that are being compensated before this fence can be built? This matter is not yet settled. You collect the people are sleeping outside and you are building fence. There's one Megamont. Megamont is the one responsible for this in collaboration with the king. Governor Sanwo-Olu, hear it and hear it very well. President, hear it and hear it very well. Answer this question. Why should you be building this fence? And when the house of the people are being demolished, we will not take law into our hand. But some things need to be answered. Question needs to be answered. Question needs to be answered. Sanwo-Olu, give us our land back. President Tinubu, give us our land back. Oworonshoki, give us our land back. Anybody that is responsible for this land, give us our land back.
It's a pity that we find ourselves in this condition. This is so pathetic. How could a government of a state evict some certain people and want to bring another people to come and take over the same land? There is no constitution in the world under UN that accept this. Sanwo-Olu, you are not representing Lagos State. At all. If you are a governor of the state, we are calling your attention to what is going on in Oworo. To what is going on in Oworo, call Babatunde Saliu and whosoever, Megamon, Sheyi, what is his name? Olumide Osishina. Our land belongs to us. You can't take our land. We stand 100% to say that we will not give this land out. This is not the procedure to take land from the citizen. If a land is going to be taken away from the citizen, it's going to be used for a project that will affect the whole community, like school or hospital. Not that you will take a land from a group of people and give it to another group of people. We are calling on the attention of the president, Tinubu, to please speak on this matter. It may affect your re-election for second time in Lagos State. Lagos State is bleeding. Sanwo-Olu have not been representing Lagos State very well. Makoko, we can begin to count Ijora, Owode. A lot of injustices have been going on since last year, since 2023 till now, including Oworo. More than 10,000 families have been evicted from Oworo. Many have died, many are in hospital, many are in stroke. Tinubu, don't be silent on what is going on in Oworo. We are calling you, you are a father. You are a father. Many of us that is standing here today have been with you since 1999 in Lagos State. When you have not even become a governor in 98, we stood by you. You became a governor. From governor to become a president. Is it what you are going to pay us back with in Oworo, in Lagos State?
I wonder.
By neglecting where we need you, you allow your boys to be victimizing us, intimidating us, harassing us, sending us to cell, to jail, and arresting people. A lot of people have died. We are calling on you, Tinubu. You are a father. We respect you as our president. Please call on Sanwo-Olu to please attend to Oworo matter. He has been attending to Makoko. They let Oworo alone. All the money they are collecting from UN, we are aware of it. They want to evict the poor and build a house to show to the UN that they have developed the waterfront. This is not the project you signed with UN. You cannot send us away and bring another people. We will not accept that. Yes. Oworo are saying that we will not accept that. Yes. We are standing on our ground. Yes. We say no to injustice. Yes. We say no to injustice. Yes. We say no to injustice. Yes. We
taking back our land.
Yes.
Unless you kill us, and our children will fight against you.
Yes.
Generation to come will not allow people to have peace.
Amen.
If you don't give us our land, whatever you have built will be destroyed.
Amen.
Everything you have labored for will go.
Amen.
There will be no more success in your life. Ẹ̀yin náà máa máa sunkún ni. Ọ̀fọ̀ máa bá yín ni. Nítorí àwọn àti sunkún. Àti sunkún. Àti ṣọ̀fọ̀ àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn. Bó ṣe máa rí fún yín nìyẹn.
We are standing here as people of Oworonshoki. A lot of people are speaking today because of the injustice done on us in Oworonshoki. The monarch of Oworonshoki, Babatunde Saliu, had turned this community to something else. This will be his third year on the throne, and we've seen hell. This guy had turned the community to rubble and destroyed lives. But I would, because of a lot of things had been said, and this is a way to send message to whoever is buying land in Oworonshoki. If you are an investor, if you are a real estate agent and you are buying land in Oworo, just know it that you are renting it. If you pay 120 million as requested by the Oba of Oworonshoki, or you pay 60 million, because we know that they are selling it 120,000 per square meter, you buy 500 square meter and 1,000 square meter, 60 million and 120 million respectively. If you buy it, you will pay back. The masses will get back their land. If you like, go and invest your money, pay the king of Oworo, pay all investors that are selling the land of the poor in Oworo. Power will change hand, and you will pay back. Goodluck Jonathan is an example. What happened to him? He collected lands in Abuja. Today, the government of the day collected it. And the same way we shall tell the Obasalu of Oworonshoki that this land, he had committed crime on this land, and a lot of families had died. A lot of children had died as a result of this. And this injustice will not go further. He also has children. He has a wife. He should put himself in our shoes. And nobody in Nigeria, nobody, regardless of your office, is greater than those that are here today. If you like, carry a crown. We are equal before the law. Nobody can say because your father was a king and he was late and you smuggled yourself to be a king in Oworonshoki, and you will use that to torment our lives. All your investors, including Sheyi Tinubu, we saw your land in Oworo. You're also buying land. You will pay back because power will change hand. The table will turn. In 2027, Tinubu shall be gone. Tinubu shall be gone. And Koshofe will take a new leave. Whatever anybody wants, let them do. All the polling unit kings that they have in place, let them try their best. The people will stand against them, and we will have a new life. And our land will be retrieved. This is the note of warning to the king of Oworo, to all investors buying land. And whoever wants to buy land in Oworo, you should know that the land is not for sale. It's not free. The people of Oworonshoki haven't let go of their lands. And they are still standing that they will never relinquish of their properties. We will never let it go. And this is a note of warning. Please do not buy land in Oworo. Because if you are buying it, you are losing it. If you are buying it, you are wasting your resources. Oworonshoki will not go, and we are standing on it.
I just need to get the whole world attention to what is actually going on, because this is my first time. I've never come online, turned on TV or anything before. This is my first time because I don't really have. Actually, I've not been in town, so I'm just surprised. Like 3 years ago, when the so-called himself Babatunde, we call himself a king, that fake king, they call himself a king. It was not a king, so I'm surprised, and he really made a very big mistake for coming to my 1 acre. I purchased a 1 acre land from his father. Then, before he came to play his game around, he took one plot for them. I gave it to him. My land is not even up to 1 acre again, so it's not even up to 1 acre. You know, initially he took one plot, I gave it to him. But the most very funny part of it is I bought another 1 plot again to support the land so that I can be able to get my land back. And then all of a sudden, he keep pressuring me up and down, this and that, to go and bring your document, go and bring this, go and bring that. And he knows me very well. So I don't think I owe him anything. You know, for me, like, well, I gave him only one document, part of my land. He didn't know how solid my document I have. I was just looking at him. But the most very funny part of it is that, like, I know he doesn't actually act on his own alone, if not because of his wife Olori, that that fake one that will be acting up and down, that this Olori, this and that. Don't you know that this Olori is in the town, is in this, and so what? So they really messed up themselves. I am completely disappointed. They collected, demolished land of the world to $1 billion naira, and then plus my property that is over $1 billion naira. So I was just looking at them like, I don't see them as a king. I don't see both of them, because the guy cannot, the king, the so-called himself, Babatunde Saliu, cannot do anything without involving, call his wife. So my major thing is I just want my property back or my money back. Yes. So that's just the major thing.
So what is your reaction of the friends?
The friends, well, they are criminal. I don't see them. They are not. This guy is not a king. He needs to be ejected out. The way they impose him to the community. He was imposed to the community. I've not been in the country. I came outside to come for this meeting. He was imposed by land grabbers a lot. There's one called Olumide Osushina, is a notorious land grabbers. Olumide Osushina, Megamond. When you see him, he's all over the Lagos state. He's Olumide Osushina. Olumide Osushina, the director of Megamond, is a confirmed land grabbers. I keep hearing his name all over on the island. So, like, they are not looking at the community as a land. I mean, as like there's houses in the community. They're looking at the community as land. They just want to, like, acquire everywhere and be selling it, which is everything. Both Iroele, they are using Iroele to go and they are using the SCFC Iroele Aditayo. Is the leader of the task force they are using to demolish every properties and all. Every corner, they kill people, they throw tear gas everywhere, they mess up people,
3-month-old baby.
A lot of people died. A lot of people, take them to the hospital, and it's so painful. It's so painful. All I just need is to, because I cannot just come to me and then take up a whole 1 acre and an extra plot that I've given you away, and I don't understand. So the whole world, I'm just pleading for the whole world to call their attention, to start a new life, not to be making people to cry, because they want to live a uncomfortable life to themselves. It is not proper. It is not done. It is not done. You can't make people cry because you want to live large. You want to live big. They are living a fake life. He's not a real king, and I didn't expect him to be doing all those dirty things. And the Miriam, the so-called to call herself Miriam Bukola, that is his wife. Fake complete fake. If Babatunde cannot do anything without her, she's the one giving rights of everything that has been going on in the community. So all he knows that me and him were still going to meet at the right spot. I just want to speak to the world that the world should get across to them and talk to them. They are living a very gutter, stinks life. They think they are something in life. No, they are not. They are not. They are disgrace to the kings, to the real kings in the world. They are the most very disgrace to the kings, to the real kings we have here in Lagos. They are ahead of it completely. That's all I need to say.
Your name again, sir.
Sir?
Your name again.
Olawale, Robert. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Ìyá àfin ẹkún dayọ̀. Òwòrò lọkọ mi kọ́lé síbi ní Òjìlẹ́rù. Gbogbo àgbáyé mo pè yín láàárọ̀ yìí, mo bẹ̀ yín. Wọ́n fìyà jẹ wá l'Òjìlẹ́rù, t'Olúwa láṣẹ, Ọ̀ṣọ́ṣà, wọ́n ní wọ́n fún wa lówó wọn ò fún wa lówó gbogbo òwòrò ẹ̀dẹ̀ nílé tó wà ní front water bí kí lẹ́yìn pé waterfront òun lẹ̀ ń wó ilé ìwò sí waterfront o olówòrò tún sọ fún wa pé ká tún lé wa ṣe a tún lọ yáwó a fi tún ilé ṣe pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ náà ó tún wá wọlé wọ́n sàwọn ọmọ wa dá lárìn kiri ó sàwọn opó dá láìní àti ìrówó gbalé à ń sùn kiri ni kí ló dé ọba máa ń túlù ṣe ni kí lọ́ba tí wá ṣe fún ọba tí wá dàlúwarú ni ó dàlúwarú ni owó ilé ò ṣe é gbà ọba tí wá dàlúrú ni ẹ ṣàánú wa gbogbo àgbáyé gbogbo òdu ẹ ṣàánú wa á pè yín ẹ pàyẹ Tinubu ṣàánú wa Sanwó-Olú ṣàánú wa Sanwó-Olú wa o jọ ṣàánú wa gbà wá bá ṣe gbàdá wa wọn wọlé wa òru náà wa wọn yìí tí a gàásì wọn ò yára yè kẹrù gbogbo ẹrù tọkọ wá fi sílẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ náà wó mọ́lé ọmọ oṣù mẹ́ta níṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bímọ gbogbo dọ́kúmẹ̀ntì ọkọ mi náà ti wó mọ́lé mi ò rí ẹ ṣàánú wa o.
ṣé kóbìnrin kan sáré sọ náà.
ẹni ìrànlẹ̀ lówó olówó tó bá rànlẹ̀ lówó ilé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló rà.
Oh yes.
gbà yìí mò ń ṣe kíní o. Ó ti wá ń gírèdì yìí. Ẹ wo àwọn ẹbí dà àwọn tó kù kán lè mọ àwọn ilé ìlú ìṣòwò àlẹ́ ìpẹ́.